Welcome to Tech Leveler, where I'm going to show you how to put an Apple gift card on your iPhone. Now, it's a quick and easy process, and this will work the same on any Apple device, whether that's a MacBook, iPhone or iPad. So the first thing we want to do to put the Apple gift card on the iPhone is come over to the App Store. So let's tap into the App Store. So in the top right hand corner, you'll see this little icon. This is your profile. You want to tap into that. This page will pop up and you'll be able to see here in the middle, redeem gift card and code. You want to tap into that, then you can use the camera. So if you have a code with a QR code, you can scan that and it'll auto add the gift card for you. Or you can select enter the code manually and you can enter the code what is on the gift card. Both cases will enter the code and you'll have to click redeem in the top right hand corner, or this big redeem button. There's also a quicker way to get to this page. On the App Store icon, you want to click it and hold, and you'll get this pop up, and you want to select redeem, and it will bring you to the exact same page. So I hope that helps you redeem your Apple gift card, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.